If you want to elevate your look and feel expensive on any budget, then stay tuned because you're in the right spot. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, then welcome. My name is Jessica Banks, lover of cats, all things beautiful, and you. And today we're going to be talking about ways to elevate your style and feel luxurious without breaking the bank. Y'all, looking expensive is my absolute favorite thing to do on earth because honestly, it just cuts out all the BS in your life. When you look too expensive for the drama, for the mess, it all of a sudden just can't find you. You know what I'm saying? So today, I'm going to give you guys 5 tips to elevate your look on any budget. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All the things. I mean, why would you not? It's National Women's Month. I think you see the vibes. I don't know why you wouldn't subscribe, so let's get into it. Tip number 1, you gotta master the basics. And by that, I mean timeless pieces over trendy, fast fashion, okay? I know that the trends can always be the vibes and you want to try things out, and that's cute and you should. However, invest in high quality basics. These are basics that are going to last you forever if you get some good enough, and you don't have to worry about replacing them, and they pretty much look good with anything. See, high fashion is a language of its own. You don't need to be branded with a whole bunch of... Have you noticed? Let me ask you this. Have you noticed when people just get into money, they're really into like making sure that you see this LV across my chest, making sure you see, this Fendi or this Dior. I need you to know that I got this on, okay? That's actually not giving expensive. That's giving you're new to this, you ain't true to this, right? To let you know that you're true to this, we're talking about subtle statements, right? And trust me, you may think that they're subtle, but the rich, they speak a language that the average man does not speak. So they're gonna see that you have on that high quality basic t-shirt, even if it's just a white button down. Also, this is just a personal preference, but I have found that this just elevates all of my looks, and that is prioritizing neutrals. Neutrals just look rich because like they look like they can get dirty, or that you don't do like laborious work because I'm wearing cream. I mean, who's doing the most in a cream 2-piece, right? And so wearing neutrals, I think that always gives you a timeless look. Neutrals are, of course, browns, creams, whites, blacks, but also I personally find green and sage to be a neutral as well. So just think earth tones and things that it gets dirty easily, that's gonna always give you an expensive look. Okay, so this next tip number 2, this is one that I slept on for way too long. Like, this may seem small, but this is huge. This is huge, and that is to accessorize. Small details make a huge impact. You know how they say like the devil is in the details? That is so true, guys. Like, it really is in all of the baby details. The right accessories can take an outfit from basic to bougie. I'm not even doing the most today, but I always make sure that I have on earrings, of course, my nose ring, a necklace, an anklet. An anklet is like, what is it called? Like an underrated accessory, but that's the one that is always given grown and sexy. But yes, accessorize, that just puts the bow on top of any outfit. Like, what's a sundae without the cherry on top? Anything that makes my life easier, I'm all about it. So I like pieces that I don't have to take off. Like, I'm a gold girly. All of my jewelry is gold. And so finding timeless pieces that I can shower in, swim in, sleep in, live in, that's always the vibe, because I never have to worry about putting on earrings. They're already on. I never have to worry about putting on a necklace. It's already on, or an anklet. And I just add certain things on when I want to be a little bit extra. Accessories are so important to an elevated look. Also, it shows that you just took that extra step. Like, everybody puts on a shirt and pants and shoes. Like, that's just what everybody's gonna do to leave the house, or everyone puts on a skirt and a jacket or a dress. However, if you take the time to put on that fragrance, to put on that anklet, to clasp that necklace, it just separates you from the pack, and it's gonna always give you an elevated and expensive look, which is what we're going for. which is what we're going for. And quality over quantity is the vibe. One good handbag can elevate your entire wardrobe. Never forget that. Step 3, smell and sound like money, baby. Smell and sound like money. Luxury is a full sensory experience. It's not just what people see, it's what they feel and smell when they're around you. Invest in a signature scent that lingers, a moisturizer or a body wash that you can smell all day. Pay attention to the details that make you memorable. My signature scent right now is the Burberry Her, but I also really love the Givenchy Irresistible. So just find what works with your body chemistry, and trust me, that's going to elevate the entire experience. People don't remember a lot, but they always remember how they felt when they were around you, and scents evoke feelings. So if you make them feel luxurious being around you, it's like the halo effect. They automatically see you as a luxurious being. Pro tip. All right, so step 4 really could have been step 1, but this is like so important. And this is hygiene, grooming, and a polished appearance. Obviously, hygiene is self-explanatory. You need to be clean. Nobody's gonna think that you're expensive or luxurious if you are not clean. I mean, that's just what it is. I will have a video up soon about the basic hygienes for high maintenance women, but you need to be clean. Period. But beyond that, hair needs to be done. It's a girl on TikTok, her name is Kira, and she talks about the 2/3 rule. And there's 3 things, and you need to have 2 out of these 3 things done at all times. It's makeup, outfit, and hair. And she says that she prioritizes hair over anything. So really you only need to just pick one other thing because your hair should always be done. I must say I agree with that 100%. When we talk about grooming and a polished appearance, your hair needs to be done. And being done does not always mean that you went to the salon and you got the latest fried, dyed, and laid to the side style. It simply means it's put up, it's put together. You got it slicked back, you got it brushed down, you got it combed out, you got the kinks out, or maybe you got the kinks in, you just defined them a little better. Whatever that means for you, make sure that your hair is done. Also, nails, toes, eyebrows, small things like that really, really elevate your experience. If you are a woman, your nails and toes need to always be done. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that you need to always, have the acrylics on or whatever. That's preference. That's personal preference. But what I am saying is it needs to be done. If that means that you're going to be DIYing or doing press-ons or your own gel X, or you going to the nail shop every 2 weeks, your nails and toes need to be done. So decide what that looks like for you. Little things like fresh breath and moisturized skin go way further than logos, okay? So always keep that in mind. And the last tip, I told you guys we are in and out today. The last tip is a luxurious mindset and luxurious habits. Like, you cannot evolve into anything in the same stagnant environment and with the same stagnant mindset, okay? The most luxurious thing that you can put on every day is confidence. Period. Like, I don't know how else to say that. And sometimes you got to fake it till you make it. Manifest that confidence if you're not there yet. And honestly, one of the best ways to manifest confidence is to put the effort and the time into your presence and your appearance every single day. I mean, that's just what it is. So when we talk about a luxury mindset and habits, we're talking about manners, we're talking about poise, and we're talking about carrying yourself with elegance. Always say please and thank you. That's just what it is. Even when you're frustrated, you don't always have to show your frustration. That's another thing that I'm also working on. But an elegant woman doesn't have to always show her cards. Set high standards for yourself and how you present yourself to the world. Luxury starts in the mind, and then it manifests itself to your lifestyle. Looking expensive starts with feeling expensive. All right, y'all, so that's the 5 tips I have for you guys to look and feel expensive on any budget. Luxury is not about a price tag. It's about the energy you exude and the standards that you set for yourself. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. Of course, guys, don't forget to subscribe and join the tribe so you'll never miss a video. We have tons of glow up content coming up. And of course, comment down below the first tip that you're gonna implement, and let's level up together. Until next time, make great decisions and wear sunscreen. Bye. Mwah.